And in our top business story, the UAE is expected to see a new jobs boom in the coming 6 months, despite lower oil prices and trading revenues. That's according to the latest survey. The Naucri Gulf survey also revealed that while more than 50% of recruiters in the UAE expect new jobs in the country, 64% also predict that a talent crunch will continue in the next 6 months. The latest hiring outlook was slightly down on its September survey, when 53% of recruiters predicted the same around the second half of 2015. The results, according to the survey, show that recruiters face maximum talent when they hire for middle management levels and people of Asian origin. The outlook also said that low single-digit pay hikes are on the radar for most of the workforce in the UAE this year, after 78% of employers offered single-digit increments last year. Survey officials were quoted saying that as demand for specialist occupations are outweighing supply, they are witnessing an increased talent shortage for recruiters. But overall, the job market looks positive, although expectations of increments for the workforce will be slightly lower going forward. In the first half of 2016, 54% of employers stated that they enjoyed single-digit attrition rates, while 63% are expecting levels to remain stable or reduced over the next 6 months. Digital transformation presents $4.9 billion worth of opportunity for Dubai over the next 5 years. That's according to the latest statistics. The figures were released by Cisco, which includes $3.7 billion for the private sector, and were highlighted through a CIO Majlis on a session on digital transformation from different sectors on opportunities and challenges. Cisco officials were quoted saying that the government is undertaking numerous smart initiatives, and the benefits of digitalisation are expected to be seen in every sector of the economy, especially utilities, transportation, aviation and tourism. Some of the challenges identified were changing technology, global competition and availability of resources, while opportunities included digital solutions for performance, operations, security control and business growth. The CIO Majlis members will have regular monthly meetings during which members get an opportunity to learn from local and world-renowned leaders. The Dubai-based property agency Chestertons has announced closing property sales worth over 610 million dirhams at the end of last year on behalf of its Middle Eastern investors, with London as the most attractive market. Representatives revealed that more than 265 million dirhams was invested into the UK capital's real estate market, representing over 70% of their total sales of nearly 379 million dirhams. It was mentioned that investors from Kuwait top the GCC list, accounting for 21% of total London sales, followed by Saudi Arabia at 17%, Qatar at 10%, the UAE also at 10%, and then Bahrain at 7%. The balance of other buyers was made up of nationals from the UK, Switzerland and Iran. However, it was also stated that Chesterton's Dubai office have sold properties worth almost 232 million dirhams in the UAE, with almost 40% of total sales value coming from Middle Eastern investors. Emiratis top the nationality breakdown, accounting for around 25% of investment, with single-digit percentage contributions from investors in Saudi Arabia, Jordan and Lebanon. Indian and UK nationals were also prominent nationalities, contributing around 15% and 10% respectively. Senaat General Holding Corporation recorded a strong performance for 2015, registering revenues of around 14.04 billion dirhams, up 5% from 2014. The industrial holding company over in Abu Dhabi also succeeded in maintaining its earnings at around 2 billion dirhams for the financial year. Senaat's operational portfolio companies, which contributed to the group's financial performance, include Alfoa, Arcan, Akthia, Ducab, Emirates Steel and NPCC. Commenting on the results, Senaat Chairman Hussein Jassim Al Nuwais said despite current economic challenges, our strategy of diversification and contribution to Abu Dhabi's industrial sector is delivering results. He also revealed that Senaat currently manages over 26.8 billion dirhams of industrial assets on behalf of the Abu Dhabi government.